Holy volatility, guys. Aaron here with a quick little intraday update. Don't normally do intraday updates, but today that is definitely an exception I will make. Let's take a look here. Spider's up 1.8%. If you haven't been paying attention, you're missing out on one of the most wild days I've ever traded. Not the wildest, but definitely up there. Take a look at the E-mini this morning. So we had some kind of dovishness come out of the Bank of England this morning. So that gave the market a little bit of a bid ahead of CPI. Then the number came out. We bid all the way up to 36.40 and change. And within 10 minutes, we were basically at the 3,500 handle. Now at 12 o'clock here, lunch hour, we are sitting at 36.46 on the E-mini. This is epic volatility, guys. Craziness here in the markets. Definitely going to be talking about this later in the daily video, so stay tuned for that. I will say, though, I want to do this video quickly. This is not a bottom. It is a major epic short squeeze, implied volatility crush here, but it's not a bottom, and I'll tell you why. So if you take a look at the VIX here, VIX never really made a new high. That does not indicate capitulation. Now, amateurs will think this is capitulation low, but it's not. We do have pretty good volume, though. I mean, and it's going to finish at heavy volume by the end of the day, so you'll have the volume aspect down, but the VIX never broke out. We never made new highs. We never even got above the 35 handle, really, from a few weeks ago. So we didn't have that major volatility spike, and that is something that needs to happen for there to be capitulation. But more importantly, this is the big one here. Take a look at the 2-year. And, we look at the markets right now. The market's up 1.8% here, 1.5 now on the SPY. Volatility is insane right now. But if we take a look at the 2-year, this is still near the lows. And, we've had a nice bounce off of the lows, but this is not participating. We're still well below that dumping area that we had earlier with that CPI number. So the 2-year is telling you this is not a bottom. It's just a huge epic squeeze, and maybe even become a gamma squeeze here tomorrow into Friday. I can't rule that out, but this does not change the 340, 320 price targets on the SPY or 230 on the triple Qs. So obviously I'll get into this a lot more later. We're kind of fading off the highs. Basically, market is back testing that June low right now. You see on the Spider and on the triple Qs there as well. So back testing that level that is holding up for now, and I mean, just amazing volatility. Obviously, definitely catch the daily video later on, which will be out by 4 o'clock. Outside of that, come find me on carnivoretrades.com. We're absolutely killing it. Made a killing on shorts this morning. Would have made a lot more, but we had a huge short squeeze, so you got to get out of the way of the freight train sometimes. Either way, you guys take care. Come find me on carnivoretrades.com and stay tuned for the daily video at 4 o'clock. Take care.